A piece of Vermont history has been completely reimagined on Oak Hill Road in Williston. Once a local schoolhouse, this distinctive home was fully renovated in 2021, combining its original character with the comfort and efficiency of a modern Vermont home. Cathedral ceilings give the open living spaces an airy feel, while the updated kitchen brings together quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and crisp contemporary cabinetry. Outside, a wraparound porch overlooks the fully fenced yard, with mature trees providing natural privacy and plenty of room for gardens and outdoor living. The detached two-car garage adds even more flexibility, with EV charger readiness and a heated shed that can serve as a workout, hobby, or creative space. And the location brings some of Williston's best outdoor experiences close by, from hiking and biking to kayaking and paddleboarding on Lake Iroquois, while Burlington International Airport is about 15 minutes away. A historic Vermont schoolhouse, thoughtfully updated for the way we live today.